A true hydration glove. Atoderm Hands Nails nourishes hands, soothing even the most dry ones. Its fast effect nourishes dry and challenged skin. Its rich and creamy texture contributes to both instant and lasting wellness. Atoderm Hand and Nails Cream creates a nourishing glove effect to moisturize hands, providing lasting wellness. Apply cream to clean, dry hands and gently massage into skin as often as needed. Our mission. Biology at the service of dermatology, at the service of health. Working alongside healthcare professionals from across the globe, we help all skin types to strengthen themselves, whatever their sensitivity or environment. Top reviews from the United States. Nurse's best friend. As a nurse, particularly during a pandemic, I wash my hands about 1 million times a day. I keep this little bottle in my scrub pants pocket and use it a few times a day. It's got such a nice scent that I feel would work well on anyone, and it not only locks in moisture, but absorbs well and even creates a nice moisture barrier on my skin for the several washes. 10 out of 10 would recommend.